So here's how to check violations on Roblox. So for that reason, first of all, open up the Roblox on your Android device or iOS, and then from here onto the bottom right side corner, you'll see the more option. Simply tap on that and scroll it down to the bottom and you'll find out the help and security option. So simply tap on that, and once again you need to tap on violation and appeals. Go and select this option, and then the violation, if you have any violation, then it will show up right over here into this blank space. But as you can see, I have no violation, so I will not see anything right up to here. But if you have anything, then you can see here. So right after that, if you want to appeal something that you are not guilty about, or you are not done the violation, then you can go to the support. Simply tap on the support and simply write the issue and fill up a form. So it will take some time to load. And now from here you need to type in your username, first name, email address, confirm email address, and the issue here. Simply select the issue right over here. So and then you can see the more categories. Then you can simply write down the issue right over here and simply tap on the continue to fill up a form. So that's how you can simply check violation on Roblox. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.